Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use extra dim at night on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. So if you need some extra dim, just go to the settings on your smartphone and navigate all the way down to accessibility features. Here, find extra dim feature, and to enable it, switch this toggle to right. If you need a quick access, let's swipe down the control center or the quick settings menu, then tap this pencil icon right here and find the extra dim circle or extra dim setting. Tap on it to add it to your settings list, and now you can quickly enable or disable extra dim just by swiping down your quick settings and tapping on this icon right here. And so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.